that shit nearly every single day. And can I kick a little something for the G's and make a few friends as I breeze through? Don't you know it's 2 in the morning and our party's still jumping? Cause my mama ain't home. I got the bitches in the living room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do, ho? I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. Turn off the lights and close the doors, but what? We don't love them whores, and we gonna smoking out to that. Jesus, hose down like you motherfuckers bounce to that. And I'll be rolling down the street, smoking in, sipping on gin and juice, laid back with my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking in, sipping on gin